Smile to the camera. Ready? Just smile to the camera, guys.
Disease, so me and my baby can live.
So one by one, all the stories try to dive down to the bottom of the water. Get just a little bit of it.
Beaver says, I'll do it. I'm the best.
I can do it. I'm a better swimmer than Beaver.
He tried. Now Gianna. Otter couldn't do it either. Finally, who came forward?
Muskrat!
Nikki! Boy, you two are good storytellers. That little tiny muskrat. And what did a Nogi say?
Says, I'll try. I'm not very strong and I'm not very far.
Gone under the water for a very long time. Longer than you can imagine. No, there look. There are little paused surfaces with a mitt full of soil. Muskrat saves the day.
Yeah.
You never know what gift someone has. Even the smallest of us can help. Segul is many stories that tell of our creation, and they all have meaning and purpose. We're all descendants of Skywoman, Galilei. But it was Skywoman when she was pregnant who first fell through. And she landed right here. It was Ojita and Sora, the birds, who caught her, as they so often help us. It was Agnoal, Mother Sea Turtle, who helped her up. It was down to the bottom of the ocean to bring back some earth. And it was Sky Woman who held those seeds from Sky World and planted them right here. Seeds that made strawberries, sassafras, and sacred tobacco. Seeds that made chicken.
They too saw a gift from nature, too powerful to ignore. And with each story shared, more people came. The Treaty of Niagara promised to protect this place, together. Niagara became a battleground, not just for nations, but for the waterfall's future. The falls powered a growing world, industries, empires. Some came to consume them.
Niagara is to give Canada more power.
Some came to capture them. Nature fed to the will of the machines. The falls became a stage for cheap thrills and greed. We tried to own this place. To let the spirit of this place slip away, honoring the power that shaped this land and inspired humanity. Their dreams sparked incredible inventions.
Guys, we'll be making our way to the transporter room now. As you come forward, please just let me know how many people are in your group. Right behind you. From 5 to 8.
That's a cool intro.
Area. You all ready? Here we go. come down rather than up. I did too. I learned that over a century ago, engineers carved a maze of underground tunnels to channel the fall's immense force to power hydroelectric generators. You're now reaching a depth. From here, many of those early tunnels release their water back into the river. The curiosity and the spirit of exploration led to going even deeper. What was discovered was a geological wonder. An enormous cavern with a subterranean river flowing right through it. And work began to harness this hidden force of energy, but with fuel or launch technology. So here we are, deeper than the base of the falls. What's ahead? First, keep it together. When it's time to go, your guide will lead you in. Remember to listen and stay with your group. And if you need any assistance, just let your guide know. Second, stow your things. Use the space beneath your seat to store any loose items, or in the cubby across from you for the larger things. And finally, secure yourself. Once you're seated and your items are stored, fasten your seatbelt. Pull the belt from your right and push it into the lit buckle on your left until you hear a click. Between each seat, you'll find a height marker. Anyone below this mark should slide the seatbelt through the safety loop before securing the buckle. And that's it. Items stored, seatbelt on. Now, you're ready to fly. Welcome to the launch chamber.
Okay, I'm gonna have everyone in the yellow follow me in first, then you guys just follow right behind me. As you want to take pictures or videos, you're allowed to. Just have a nice grip on your phone, and please no flashlight. Verify, guys.
Welcome to Niagara Takes Flight. We're now rotating into our launch chamber. It sits even deeper than the bottom of the river beneath the Horseshoe Falls. This natural cavern was discovered during tunneling as electric power generation was engineered, first constructed here over a century ago. Niagara has always been a place of power, a source of endless energy. Today, we're harnessing that power to catapult you on an epic, soaring adventure. Everyone ready? Let's go see Niagara.
journey here, there is so much more to learn and explore. And the entire Niagara Parks team all have stories we'd love to share.
As you prepare to disembark, don't forget to gather any stored items. To unfasten your seatbelt, push the button.
No, because I saw you come in, I was like, oh, you made it? And then she's like, no. And I was like,